grand. Well, I know, it looks like a lot of junk, right? And it might be, but to us, this is everything. Please let me introduce Adam and Marion, and I am Lynn. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We have been across the galaxy, to abandoned planets and forgotten outposts, even the ruins of ancient Sith and Jedi temples. And we have brought back the relics and artifacts and the occasional piece of junk. We brought it all back here just for you. You see, this is our history. And by preserving our history, we can ensure our future. But as you've been out there in the outpost, you may have noticed that right now, we are living in troubled times. Are we familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker?
Yes.
Right? And now there's a new Jedi in our midst. Who knows her name?
Rey.
Rey, yes, Rey. And she is a spark of hope spreading throughout the galaxy. Luke and Rey answered the call. And I believe that you have also heard that call, and that's why you're here. But you're mainly here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is elegant and enigmatic. It has been used by our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. Building a lightsaber is truly an art form, and it creates a connection between the builder and the Force. And today, you're going to build one, and you're going to make that very connection. Where does the journey start? It all starts with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal harnesses and magnifies the power and energy of the Force. The color of your Kyber crystal will determine the color of your blade. There are many colors of Kybers out there in the galaxy. We brought back 4 for you to choose from today. Let's begin with the blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and today by Rey. Green. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda himself. Violet. It is rare and it is beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And the red. The Crystal of Power, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and today it is held by Kylo Ren. But we're done with the history lesson. Let's begin your journey. Right now, builders, I need you all to close your eyes. I close them. I can see you. Go ahead. And envision in your mind which of these crystals is calling out to you. Listen with your heart. For your crystal will become the heart of your lightsaber. When you see your crystal clearly in your mind, open up your eyes and select your Kyber crystal. And after you've selected your crystal, be sure to place it on that green tray in front of you. The hilt is the center of control for the lightsaber, and it also protects your answer vaporized. We're going to bring out the trays for the path that you have previously selected. And we'll go over these components with you before we begin. In that first long compartment, that is your chassis. That's where your Kyber crystal resides. Next to it are 4 grips. You're going to use 2 of those. You'll use 1 of the emitters, 1 of the end caps, and 1 match set of activation plates. So I think we're all ready. Are we ready now, builders?
You can mix and match however you like. You're going to choose 2 sleeves out of the 4.
Now you're ready.
One for the top and one for the bottom. The bottom being your grip, will be your blade drum. Just choose one that's going to be comfortable in your hand.
So you have to choose one for your bottom.
You're going to choose one for the top and one for the bottom.
Which one's comfortable? Okay, so yeah, you can put that one on the top. This is where your grip is.
You want to make sure that's on there?
Exactly. Go ahead and grip your top.
Switch on the side.
Flip it. There you go.
Push it out. Very good. That's exactly what we're doing.
So which one do you want for the grip?
You're ready to choose. No.
Which one do you think, Rob?
It's up to you. Which one feels? So you're gripping it. Which one do you want to be holding? Which feels good in your hand?
Which one do you like?
That one.
Very good. Choose one more. Put it on top.
Good job.
Like this one?
One out of this one, you're gonna place it right on the top.
Now you're getting it.
He's really good at it. He's really, how old is he? Really good at it.
Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down, buddy. Turn it upside down. That one.
You wanna?
So we're going. Looks like a good man.
Now, once your hilts are fully assembled, go ahead and place them in the holders in front of you. And we'll go ahead and check on them.
Yeah. Take your time. There you go.
He's got to play with it a little bit because that one's a hard one.
Stand all the way back. All the way. The gatherers are going to place your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. This is very dangerous, very sensitive work. We trained for many years. Sometimes we might have an accident. At least we didn't blow
Don't tell him what happened.
At least you didn't blow another hole this year.
Don't tell him what happened to the 15th station.
Oh, you mean what used to be a village station?
Yes.
Yeah, we had a little accident there, so. Now, while these are stabilizing, I'm going to give you a quick reminder to, what's going on?
Many parts there were now join beyond. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda? Oh, builders, the Force must be very strong in here right now. And it is time to forge the bond. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and then all together on my mark, we're going to activate. Are you ready? Please step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, take a deep breath, and activate. Raise your lightsaber. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, you too have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, all it takes is a spark. You wave them around the bend. Congratulations, builders. Please deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when you can, but me you cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for joining us today. The lightsaber you have built is as unique and extraordinary as you are. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to offer you a saber sheath as your exit. Our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to go out there and make your way in the galaxy. And who knows, maybe someday I'll be standing here telling your story. As we say here at Black Spire Outpost, Delta Spire.